Having trouble with the pesky waiting for the cache error while browsing on Google Chrome? No sweat. I've got you covered with 2 easy fixes for this hiccup. Let's jump right in. Solution 1. Clear Chrome cache. First up, fire up Chrome. Then spot the 3-dot icon up in the top right corner. Give it a click. Now hit Settings from the menu that pops up. Next, navigate to Privacy and Security. On the left-hand side, click on Clear Browsing Data here. Now you'll see a box next to Time Range. Pick All Time from the drop-down menu. Hit that Clear Data button. Voila! Your Chrome cache is squeaky clean. Now see if that error persists. Solution 2. Reset Chrome data. Ready for the second fix? Open Chrome again. Click on the trusty 3-dot icon, just like before. Choose Settings. Reset Settings on the left. Click on Restore Settings to their original defaults. Then hit Reset Settings again. Now wave goodbye to that pesky error. And there you have it. Your Chrome browser should be back on track without the dreaded cache hiccup. If this video saves your browsing day, then smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any kind of questions, then please ask them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.